Hey there, my name is Hugh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the side mirrors on a 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry. And I'm doing videos like this because I want to show you that it's very easy to do simple repairs on your car. It doesn't cost a lot of money. You can get cheap parts off of eBay and just install it yourself. So here's how to do it. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look for a replacement on somewhere like eBay or Amazon. I found that eBay is a pretty good place to get car parts because you can find some used stuff also. So what you're going to put in is your model year Toyota Camry replacement mirror. And again, this is for the 2002 to 2006 Toyota Camry. So what you're going to get is basically three things. You're going to get either the full replacement mirror with the outside, you're going to get just the glass, or you're going to get the glass with the backing on it. And for this video, I used the one with the backing on it. It's a lot easier. You don't have to glue anything into place. And I only needed that part. However, if you do need the whole mirror assembly and that part got damaged, then you're gonna have to buy one of these. If at all possible, it's best to buy one that's used because it's already painted, so just match it to the color of your car. Otherwise, you're gonna have to get this painted separately, or it's gonna be just a different color. So those are the possibilities. And before you buy, double check that it has the backing on it so that it's easy to slip into place. You can check it by looking here and you can see that it has the backing on it. If you do have the heated mirrors, be sure to check that the mirror can be heated. If you don't care about that, then that doesn't matter. What else? Let's see. And then if you just look at the glass, this is just the glass. That's going to be, the backing is just going to look like this, and it's not going to be the backing part of it. So you're going to have to, like it says in the instructions, you're going to have to scrape it off, and then you're going to have to stick it back on to the backing first, and then you can slide it into the to the housing. All right, so once you have the replacement mirror with the backing, this is an example of one that has the heated wires in the back, and then these are the two bottom clips that go in first, and these are the two top clips that go in second, and then that's the front of the mirror. So I'm going to just take it out of the box here, and I'm going to put it on. The first thing I'm going to do is put on the wires to connect the heated mirror part. So they just slide onto those connections. It doesn't matter which way you put them. Just put those on, and that's very easy. As you can see here, that's a little closer. That's what that looks like. And then you put the bottom clips on first, like that, and then you just slide it over and clip it in. All right, so that's really easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to get more DIY videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.